We're at the Vaal River. We were busy setting up the tents and stuff, and then the rod went off. It was Oppa's first fish of the day, and it's a nice size carp.
Thank you.
So yeah, I'm here with my first fish. It's a beautiful carp. Nice and healthy, it's a healthy female. So we've got a triple up. I've got a beautiful size fish. Tyron's real messed up, so we had to
hand line it.
And my dad's also on.
Nice.
The one dad was on didn't even sit for a minute, bruh.
Here's another one.
Oh. Right.
Come, don't. How's it, guys? So I'm here with my second one, and it's a nice big fish. It's literally, my rod nearly went into the water. It had a nice explosion on top, surfaced. It was a nice fight. It's really simple. Cool.
Tyler's on with another big one.
Okay, just gently put it in the net.
Ow!
Yes,
There you go. Yo.
Yes!
Fat Oppa.
Other guys, I just had a fart on and look what I got.
And
Nice
that's
fish.
number
And that's number 4 for me.
3,
Is that-
isn't it?
No, that's 4. Because there was 2 on this hook. This.
Okay, cool. Alright.
So that's number 4 for me.
How's it, guys? Number 8 for me. What a day. What a place. Let's get her back. Let's get some more.
How's it, guys? So it's around midnight. Yeah, I'm trying to be as quiet as possible. But I caught this lovely mirror carp. I lost a fish earlier. There's a beauty. Oh, let's go in this one.
And you're on. Really, what a cost, eh? What do you have to say about that one, Eli?
Yeah,